Today we will prepare together a historic dish of Italian cuisine, considered the ancestor of the amatriciana. With very few ingredients, we will bring to the table a simple first course with a strong taste. Pasta gricia. Manuel at the stove. Ready, steady, go! To start slicing the guanciale gel bacon. I'll remove the rind. Cut it into slices. And then cut it into strips. The pan is already hot. I won't add any other fat. And I'll brown the guanciale well. As you can see, I'm using peppered guanciale, so I will not add any pepper during cooking. Let it sizzle over medium heat until it is nice and crunchy. Another fundamental ingredient for an excellent gricia, mature Pecorino romano. Let's grate it. There are a couple of minutes left until the pasta is cooked. The guanciale is nice and crunchy. I'll cream it with a ladleful of pasta water. Look at the lovely cream already there. Let's drain the rigatoni directly in the pan. Remove it from the stove and add 1/3 of the freshly grated pecorino. I'll keep the rest to garnish the dish. Another very small ladleful of pasta water. And I can plate it. A sprinkle of pecorino in our first course is ready. In less than 15 minutes we have created something magical. Pasta alla gricia. See you next recipe. Let me taste it. Spectacular.